Now guys, I've just cooked this dish. It's called Chicken Bangla or Bangla chicken. Absolutely delicious dish. This has got boiled egg, it's got potatoes, it's really nice and spicy, and it's got what makes it Bangla is it's got the mustard, pure flavour from the mustard seeds, guys. So enjoy the recipe and I will see you on the next video. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. As I've been busy cooking quite a few dishes back to back. So this recipe is going to be called Chicken Bangla. Chicken Bangla is very spicy, spicy but mustardy as well. Now generally it's cooked with mustard oil. I'm going to be using regular veg oil. If you want to use mustard oil you can do. So yeah, I've said that guys, BIR style Chicken Bangla. Let's get up all my ingredients here. I'll just go through them as we cook. So let's crack on with it. So 1 chef spoon of oil, pan spoon on heat, mustard seeds, so 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and also a bay leaf. One chef spoon of, these are red onion. You want to use on Bangla chicken red onion because it gives nice sweetness to it as well. If you haven't got red onion, you can use regular white onion as well. Pinch of fenugreek leaf, give it a little crush. Tiny bit of salt. Smells brilliant like this already. Just going to try and wait for the onions to get nice and soft. It's still on low heat. I've got my base gravy, I've also got my pre-cooked chicken there. And again, I'm using my own BRI mixed curry powder recipe. If you haven't seen the video for that guys, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. A bit of base in there. So the onions have gone nice and soft now. As we saw, the Chicken Bangla is generally spicy dish. If you want to use less chili powder, you can do, or if you want to leave the chili powder around, you can still do, and just have it medium, just with the curry powder. Still works great because you've got the mustardy flavour coming through with the bay leaf. Amazing. Put the heat up a bit. One and a half mixed curry powder on this one. Again, Again, take 2 to 3 minutes to cook the spice really well. What you can do is also add your chicken now, so the chicken gets the spices in there as well as it gets warmed up. Use any chicken stock you got left. Pure flavour, this is lovely. Got that closer for you. Yeah. Few pieces of pre-cooked potatoes in there. So it's been about a couple of minutes. I've been cooking the spice out. Now the spice is cooked, and I'm going to add some base gravy in now. Okay, so you can see it there. 1, 2. Being a Chicken Bangla guys, we love potatoes and we also love egg in our curry. So I have got also a boiled egg. Let's put that in, freshly boiled, so won't need a lot of time heating up. A little bit more base gravy. And I'm just going to wait for that just to cook now. So guys, if you guys have been watching our videos, thanks ever so much. Please continue to like and support our channel. What do you think of this recipe? Let us know. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And this Chicken Bangla is a lovely dish, guys. So if you haven't tried this, do give it a try. It's got potatoes in there, which I love. It's also got a boiled egg in there. Amazing. And again, if you want to make this with lamb, you can do, or vegetable, anything like that. Just switch over the chicken for the lamb and so forth. Get that camera closer for you. There you go. Check it out. So with again the oil, what you can do, tip it over, and you can leave that back in the base gravy for later use. Right, so it's been less than 10 minutes, and now Chicken Bangla chicken is ready. So heat up. Going to put this in a takeaway container. Let's just put that here, get that here, there we go. Come on, let's see it from there, can you? There, you can see it now. Fantastic. Chicken Bangla, guys, really delicious dish. Do just give this a go. Let us know what you think. But yeah, again, guys, be alright. Chicken Bangla done, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.